first of all, unboxing this one. This one is the package that we do for our brake calipers and also the accessories. As you can see, there's 3 boxes in this box, in this big box, and then take out this one. As you can see, this is our monobloc 6-piston brake calipers. This is very lightweight because this is monobloc and it's pretty strong. And we use a reliable brake pad, and this is very good for track use. Okay, and I want to show you guys, how light it is. And we prepare this so we can really weight these things. Let's see. Okay, with the brake pad on it, it only weighs like 3.6 kilograms. Yeah, you can see it's pretty lightweight. Okay, and this is our brake calipers. As you can see, we pack it pretty well, so we can protect the brake caliper pretty well, so you don't have to worry, there's any kind of scratch when you receive the whole package. Okay, put it back, and then we take out the accessory box. What's included the accessory box is, you can see, it has the brake tube and all the bolts and also the adapters. See, this is the adapters and the accessories. Okay, very well. So you can see this is the metal brake tube. In it. Our 6-piston brake calipers paired with 380 millimeter motors. So this is our 380 millimeter brake rotor. As you can see, it also has our CUSTUNING logo on it. And we use a 2-piece design, so you can see the bolt is mounted right here. So basically, it's a 2-piece design. So you can see this is our packages for both brake caliper, accessories, and this is for the rollers. So two boxes. It's a whole set of our monobloc 6-piston brake caliper. And this is brake from CUSTUNING. See you next time.